Hi everyone, welcome to Mash Math. Today we are going to study from class 10 chapter 5 arithmetic progressions exercise 5.3 question 20. So here you have question 20, that is in a potato race, a bucket is placed at the starting point, which is 5 meter from the first potato, and the other potatoes are placed 3 meter apart in a straight line. There are 10 potatoes in the line. You see the figure here. So there are 10 potatoes are there, and a starting point. This is our starting point. So starting point bucket is kept. So from the bucket 5 meter away first potato is there, and then 3 meter away second potato is there, and then again 3 meter away third potato, again 3 meter away fourth potato, again 3 meter away fifth potato. Like this, total 10 potatoes are there. Okay, you must have seen this race, potato race. Okay, so here the competitor will run first. She will run and get the first potato and run back, put it in the bucket. Again run and get the second potato and run back, put it in the bucket. Again run and pick up the third potato and come back and put in the bucket. So likewise you have to run and get the potato, put back here, again run to pick up the next potato and run back, put it in the bucket, and again go and get the next one. So that is the potato race. So now what they are asking us to find out is a competitor starts from the bucket, picks up the nearest potato, runs back with it, drops it in the bucket, runs back to pick up the next potato, runs to the bucket to drop it in, and she continues in the same way until all the potatoes are in the bucket. What is the total distance the competitor has to run? So we have to find out the total distance. So total distance, how much she runs, that we have to find out, and hint is given to us. This I'll explain to you. So I hope the question is clear to you. So now let's see the how to solve it. So the first potato, for first potato, for the first potato, the distance for the first potato, the distance the competitor has to run. So the distance competitor has to run. Okay, so for first potato, the distance competitor has to run, how much? So let's see here. For the bucket is here. Okay, the first potato is here. How many meter far away? 5 meter. So the starting point is this, we said. So starting point is here. So she has to run 5 meter. She has to run 5 meter, pick up the potato. Again 5 meter she has to run back to put it in the bucket. So that means first 5 meter, then again back to 5 meter. So that means 5 plus 5, 2 times. So total 10 meter. Okay, so same way for second potato, the distance competitor has to run. Okay, now she came and put back. Now for the second time, for the second potato she has to run up to here. That means how much distance she has to cover up? 5 plus 3, total 8. Okay, so 8. Now again 8 meters she has to again run back and put the bucket in the bucket. So again 8 meters she has to run. So total we get 16 meters she has to run. So same way for the third potato, the distance the competitor has to run, how much? For third potato, again from here she has to begin up to here. So that means 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 3 is 11. So 11 for the third potato. Then she has to pick up this and again run back and put in the bucket. So that means total again 11 meter she has to run back. So total how much then? 22 meter. Okay, so likewise up to how many potatoes? Up to 10 potatoes are there. So 10th term, up to 10th term we have to find out. So up to here it's okay. So let's write down our AP. So AP forms here first 10, then 16, then 22. So we have 10, 16, 22, dash, 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 up to how many terms? 10 terms. 10 terms, because 10 potatoes, right? The question is given total 10 potatoes are there. So first potato, second, third, fourth, so total 10 potatoes. So 10th potato, how much distance she has to run, that we have to find out. So this is our AP. So what are the values we have? So let's write down. This is our A1, A2, A3, and this is AN. So number of terms is N values given to us, that is 10. So we have the A value, that is 10, distance 16 minus 10 will give us 6. Then we have N value, we know 10 potatoes. So number of potatoes are 10. So now we have to find out total distance, we have to find out. So SN value we have to find out. So what formula we'll use? We don't know the last term, so we will use the formula, that is SN N upon 2 2A plus N minus 1D, because we don't know the last term, because this is 10th potato, right? So we don't know 10th potato how much distance she has to travel, so we don't know that. The first potato we know 10 meters she has to travel, second potato 16 meters she has to travel, third potato she has to travel 22 meters. We don't know the 10th potato how much distance. 10th potato is the last, how much distance she has to travel back, we don't know. So that's why we use the this formula. So let's put the value in that. So as N value we know 10 potatoes, no, total 10 potatoes. So N is 10 upon 2 A value is 10. So we have A value 10 plus N also is 10 minus 1, and D we know that is 6. So as 10, this can be divided 5 times. So 2 10s are 20. 10 minus 1, 9 into 6. So as 10, 5, we have 20 plus 9 6 are 54. So we have as 10, 5, 20 plus 54 will give us 74. So then we have as 10, now 5 into 74. 74 you have to multiply with 5. 5 4s are 22, 37. So we have 370 meter. So hence the total distance, so the total distance the competitor has to run is 370 meter. That's it. Thank you. God bless you.